In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the image of card components using Webflow. This tutorial will guide you through each step to modify the images on your website efficiently. To start, you need to head over to Webflow's website. If you're not already familiar with Webflow, it's a powerful and user-friendly tool that allows you to create custom websites visually without needing extensive coding knowledge. Once you are on Webflow's homepage, you'll spot a prominent button that says it's free. Go ahead and click on that to get started. As you proceed, Webflow will prompt you to create an account. You can either use your email and a secure password or simply sign in with your Google account if that's more convenient for you. Choosing a strong, unique password is crucial to keep your account secure. After setting up your account, you'll be taken to the Webflow dashboard. From here, locate and access Deep's Dapper site. This is your primary workspace for this task. Make sure you select the site you want to work on. Now focus your attention on your desired card component. Click on the highlighted area, which indicates the image part you wish to edit. This will open up options for you to make changes. Select the Choose Image option. A dialog box will open, allowing you to either upload a new image from your device or select from images already available in your library. Choose the image that best fits your card component design and aesthetic. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice. You may want to tweak the image placement or size afterward, ensuring it fits seamlessly within your card component. With the new image in place, it's time to publish your changes to the web. Click on Publish. This step is crucial because without publishing, your modifications will not be visible on the live site. After that, you'll be prompted to select the domains to which you want to publish these updates. Make sure to choose the correct domains where you want your changes to appear. Confirm your selection by clicking Publish to selected domains. After publishing, give your site a couple of moments to update those changes across the web. Finally, close out of the publishing dialog to return to your dashboard. Remember, it's always good practice to preview your live website to ensure everything displays as expected. This thorough process will help you keep your website's aesthetic fresh and up to date, satisfying both your design expectations and your audience's experience. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing.